Top 20 Gym Supplements to Help Build Muscles. Building muscle requires consistent training, proper nutrition, and smart supplementation. While food should be your foundation, supplements can support recovery, strength, and muscle growth. Here are 20 of the most effective supplements for muscle building. 1. Whey Protein. Fast-digesting protein ideal. Post-workout to support muscle repair and growth. 2. Creatine Monohydrate increases strength, power, and muscle volume by drawing water into muscle cells and enhancing ATP production. 3. Casein Protein. Slow-digesting protein that prevents muscle breakdown, especially effective before bed. 4. Branched-chain amino acids BCAAs. Help reduce muscle soreness and promote muscle protein synthesis during training. 5. Beta-Alanine buffers lactic acid buildup, improving endurance during high-intensity training. 6. L-leucine, a key BCAA that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. 7. HMB beta-hydroxy. Beta-methylbutyrate helps reduce muscle loss and improves recovery, especially during intense or calorie-restricted training. 8. Glutamine supports recovery, immune function, and gut health, especially during periods of intense training. 9. Pre-workout supplements typically contain caffeine, beta-alanine, and nitric oxide boosters to enhance energy, focus, and pump. 10. Caffeine increases strength, alertness, and performance during workouts. 11. Nitric oxide boosters, for example, L-arginine, citrulline malate, improve blood flow and muscle pump, which may aid muscle growth. 12. Multivitamins help fill nutritional gaps to support overall health and performance. 13. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fish oil reduces inflammation and may enhance muscle recovery. 14. Vitamin D supports testosterone production and bone health, both essential for muscle development. 15. DMA zinc, magnesium aspartate, vitamin B6 supports hormone levels and sleep quality. 16. Tribulus terrestris, a herbal supplement believed to support testosterone levels, though evidence is mixed. 17. Ashwagandha, an adaptogen that reduces stress and may support muscle growth and strength. 18. Mass gainers, high-calorie shakes ideal for individuals struggling to eat enough to gain muscle. 19. L-carnitine may support fat metabolism and muscle recovery. 20. Electrolytes maintain hydration and muscle function during intense training sessions. Conclusion: these supplements can support muscle growth when combined with consistent training and a solid diet. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.